Hey, welcome to this new edition of Digital Blitz, your 2 minutes brief on everything UX, tech and compliance. I'm here to help you deliver better experiences for your team and your customers. So we looked at the checkout experiences for e-commerce in the last episodes, but let's explore today the various platforms that you can use to launch or upgrade your next e-commerce website. If you want the flexibility and have a team of developers, you should definitely consider open source projects. The likes of Drupal, WordPress all have e-commerce plugin, but Aerocommerce is probably my favorite because it's based on a very popular PHP framework called Laravel, and you have access to the source code, so you can build custom modules and configure anything you want. You do need to consider budget to host it and support it though. At the enterprise level, on the other hand of the scale, you'll find the beast like Magento, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, or Oracle, or IBM Solution. I hear a lot about companies really struggling to innovate because it's not open, the code is not very flexible, and the development cost just quickly escalates. And because of their license fees in the hundreds of thousands, we only recommend those on very specific use cases. Could be that you need to integrate with an existing ecosystem, but even then, it's not always the most cost-effective options. And platforms like BigCommerce and Shopify and the rise of software as a service really take the hassle out of hosting and ongoing support. It makes it very easy for those platforms to migrate while still allowing some customization. So it's the solution that we recommend for most SMEs and even enterprise clients to start or continue their e-commerce journey. Because from there, you can use their headless solutions to implement even better content and maximize your budget, like we saw in the last video about headless commerce. So when comparing those platforms, don't look at the Gartner Magic Quadrants about completeness of vision. It's not going to help you increase your sales. What I recommend is you need to look at the feature set, first of all, check that it has all your must-have. Like all the platforms really allow you to manage your orders, manage your customers, and sync those with external systems, for inventory, for example. The second point is looking at the flexibility of implementation and the ability to customize things. And those solutions, obviously, the open source option wins. And finally, coming back to kind of money, budget, and investment, the total cost of ownerships. And in that, the software as a service platform has a big advantage because everything is included in their package. So if you're on a journey to upgrade your e-commerce solution or need help to fix your current systems, just leave me some comments below or get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep learning with me and grow your career in digital. Until next time, stay safe and see you soon.